Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low client FPS in Valorant using a few simple but effective methods. The first thing you should do is open your computer's search bar and look for Graphics Settings. Once you're there, scroll through the list until you find Valorant, then expand the option and set the GPU preference to high performance. This ensures your graphics card is fully focused on the game. Also, make sure the optimizations for windowed games toggle is turned on. For the next fix, search for Valorant again from the search bar. Right-click the app and choose Open File Location. From there, right-click the Valorant file, select Show More Options, and then click Properties. In the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Turn on Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and check Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and save. If your FPS is still low, you can also try opening Valorant's in-game settings and turning down your graphics quality to improve performance. And that's it. I hope these fixes help boost your FPS. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.